Lalamon Plant Care and our global team are delighted to extend our heartfelt congratulations to the exceptional finalists of the 40 Under 40 competition. Your dedication to innovation, sustainability, and leadership reflects the qualities that are driving this industry to new heights. At Lalamon, we are proud to recognize your accomplishments. Congratulations once again, and here's to cultivating success together.
Hi, my name's Heidi Warner, and I'm the Greenhouse Nursery Segment Lead for New Farm. New Farm is a proud sponsor of the GPN 40 Under 40 class. We have been a sponsor for years. So if we take this year's class and then look back at the classes previous or prior to this one, we know our industry is in great hands. The future is bright for horticulture. I would like to challenge, though, everyone in the room to let's get the next generation excited about horticulture. Go to your local high school or your career college and get the individuals there that are interested in greenhouse nursery management or future farmers of America excited about wanting to pursue that as a career move. I think that it's an exciting and fun industry, and there's a lot that we accomplish. So whether it be, providing food for our families, or providing green space for our children to play in, or just beautifying our homes and providing oxygen with the plants that we grow and plant into the landscape, it's such an amazing, amazing industry. So with that, again, I would like to challenge you to get out and spread the word, get the next generation excited about horticulture. And what we're here for tonight is to be excited and celebrate this year's 40 Under 40 class. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the class of 2025 from Premier Tech Growers and Consumers. Today, we celebrate the brightest minds and boldest talents in the horticulture industry. You're the next generation of leaders, shaping the future of green innovation. Your passion, dedication, and ingenuity are redefining the landscape of horticulture. From our bogs to our labs, factories, offices, and restoration sites, we want to congratulate you. Your achievement inspires us all.
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Congratulations!
Congrats! Congrats!
To all of you, congratulations!
Congratulations.
At BASF, our passion for horticulture stems from our unwavering support for growers. We do this through collaboration, technical expertise, and an innovative offering of fungicides, insecticides, herbicides, and bioinsecticides, helping you tackle disease, insects, and weeds so that you can focus on cultivating healthy, high-quality plants. Today, we are thrilled to honor this year's class of 40 Under 40. We congratulate you on your remarkable achievements. Your unyielding passion, boundless creativity, and innovative spirit are shaping the future of the industry. Thank you for your leadership.
Konnichiwa from Suntory Flowers, where career in floriculture can take you all over the world.
As breeders, we use technology, talent, and our imagination to bring new flowers to life.
Sometimes it's taking an existing plant and reinventing it to make something completely new.
Each new variety goes through extensive evaluation to make sure that it performs well in the greenhouse and landscape.
When the hard work is done, our marketing team has fun, creating buzz for the new introductions.
Today, we celebrate you, the future of this industry. Your passion, creativity, and drive are shaping what's next.
Follow your dreams and dare to create the future.
As we say at Suntory Flowers, やってみなはれ!
This is Scott Thompson of Prospient. All of us at Prospient are wishing this year's class of 40 under 40 all the best. We ask you, please show us the way to grow better today, tomorrow, and into the future.
Hello, Ken Fisher here with American Hort. On behalf of our entire team and the broader horticulture community, congratulations to this year's 40 under 40 honorees. This recognition celebrates innovation, leadership, and the passion that each of you brings to our industry. You represent the future of horticulture, and your accomplishments are already making a lasting impact. At American Hort, we believe in cultivating success, and it's inspiring to see how many rising leaders are shaping what's next, whether it's through business growth, sustainability, technology, or community engagement. We're proud to celebrate your achievements and look forward to supporting your continued growth and influence in the years to come. Congratulations again on behalf of all of us at American Hort.
Congratulations to the 2025 40 under 40 class from all of us at Syngenta Flowers. Our team is proud to support the future of horticulture and celebrate this year's remarkable honorees. At Syngenta Flowers, it's our mission to help growers succeed by introducing innovative genetics and providing best-in-class technical support. We're rooted in teamwork and recognize that it takes the collaboration of breeders, tech teams, customer service, sales, and many other departments to bring a product to market. We're proud to have some of the best and brightest working for us, and we know the horticulture industry has a bright future thanks to talented young professionals like you. Congratulations again to this year's honorees. We know that your passion, knowledge, and skill set will take you far, and we can't wait to see how you shape and grow this industry.